my friends, welcome to my channel. That's Martisha C, independent artist and world traveler between the spaces and the most honest artist who you can find on English speaker and Russian speaker YouTube. So sorry for my specific English. I'm not native English speakers, but I'm trying to do the best. Anyway, I'm really glad to see you here. And today we're painting a still life painting by acrylic paints. Normally what I'm doing on this channel, I'm doing a video for artists and just for art lovers who wanted to start or continue to paint, or the artist who is trying to build an art career. So if you wanted to build your artistical way, to find your own style, to sell your artworks, if you just need some kind of psychological help, because artist way is very, very, very specific with a lot, really a lot of hard moments. I'm just trying to help other artists to survive on this world, and of course I'm trying to help myself. So let's build our community and welcome schmelcome. And of course, by the way, don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Don't forget about likes. Don't forget to comment. My videos are really interesting to know your opinion about that, what you see about my content here. Not a lot of videos, but I'm just give me some time. So this still life I started from the black, white and gray background. It's a very new way for me because in my country, normally people painting, they prefer to paint, to not work with abstractions. They choosing in the art schools, they are choosing more traditional way of paint. So I'm doing my way by myself. I'm learning by myself. I'm taking lessons. I'm learning all the time. So yeah, this still life, I'm started from background. I'm starting from the waist, totally flat. But how you can see, the fruits have some shape, they have some form, they have volume, so you can touch them. Main colors here on this painting, orange and yellow. On the front, on the back, it's black, gray and white. How I'm building the form, I'm all the time starting from general shape, and after that I'm starting to work with shadows. Normally all shadows, they have cold color. It's if you wanted to know a little bit about traditional way. But of course, if you're an artist, you can do whatever you want. After that, I'm starting to work with the flowers, and that technique is very interesting because I'm mixing paint and I'm mixing collage. So I was worked with the faces in the flowers. So inside of the flowers, you will see a lot of faces. It's the faces from old magazines, it's the faces from old newspapers. Almost all of them, they are soldiers. It's soldiers. Of course, I have some explanation to this artwork. So jump to my Instagram, Martisha in the Sea, and you will know the meaning of this artwork, because once on the week, my subscribers, they are choosing about what artwork I will start to talk. Just check my stories. If you wanted to help me as an artist, the information under my video jump to my Etsy shop, Martisha C. Jump to my Instagram, Martisha in the sea. You can see my past, my future, my minds, when you can find me and meet me. And know me like a person. So I was super glad to see you here. Please don't forget to be happy. Don't forget to be yourself. It's super very necessary. And I hope to see you again. Bye bye, my sweetie pies.